Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called Poweradd. And what this is their power strip that has 6 USB and then 6 of these US plugs right here, as you can see, which is pretty cool. Let's open up the product first to show you guys what the inside looks like and what is provided for us. So when you guys first open the package itself, they provide you a little happy or not happy card. They provide us a little instruction card to teach us how to use the product itself. And as you can see that there's actual product itself inside. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like, if you can see. So it has like the 6 different ports for this one, the 6 USB ports here, the on and off switch right here, or the reset button as well. They have the little logo right here on the top, if you can see right here. The plug that they use right here is this plug right here, if you can see. And on the bottom you can see that they have the anti-skid material to help the product from like moving or whatever, so that's pretty cool. But that's basically the overall product itself and what it looks like and everything. This one is not like a smart power strip. This is like a regular power strip that you can use to charge your stuff or whatever. This one does not have like the option to like connect onto like Alexa or Google Home. So the only way for us to actually find out how well it works and everything is to actually go test it out. So let me actually go do a quick testing of the product first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have the product all plugged in and everything. So let's turn it on first. Alright, so as you can see that pops on the light right there. So I'm just going to try like each one of these to see when it actually works. I'm probably not going to plug in all 6 of these and all 6 of them at the same time because I don't think I have enough device. But I'm just going to try out each one of them by plugging in and see how it works. So let's see this one first. You guys can see the indicator light pops on right there, so that's how you guys know it's working. Let's try the next one right here. Alright, so that one's on as well. You guys can see the indicator light on there. Next one. That one works as well. That one works as well. That one works as well. And that one works as well. So when you guys plug this one, you probably want to plug it the opposite way like this. So that way it can actually charge this and charge that and doesn't waste like this space right here. So next let's plug in some USBs and see when that actually works as well. So I have my phone right here. Alright, so it works. Let's plug in another device just to check see if it works at the same time. So I'm going to be charging this little power bank that I have right here. Move this to one side so you can see. Alright, let's plug it in. And there you guys go. You guys can see that's charging. So the iPhone is still charging. This is charging as well. Let's try the other ones as well and see when those charge. Okay, next one. Alright, so that charges as well. Alright, so that one works as well. And that one works as well. And the last one, that works as well. So the product itself does work when you guys plug all of them. If you guys want to use multiple at the same time, you definitely can as well. I just don't have enough device with me right now, so I can't really try all of them at the same time. But it does work to plug in all 12 of these plugs outlets at the same time. And then when you guys are done using it, you guys can actually turn it off like this as well if you guys want to. And I believe they do have like auto shut off if like there's too much power being generated or being used on here. This product will actually turn off by itself like that. Especially because this product has like all the different protections such as the auto shut off, the overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the quick test of the product itself, you can see it actually does work and actually works quite well. Obviously I couldn't use all of the plugs at the same time because I don't have enough plugs to use right now, but if you guys want to plug like all 6 of the US plugs and all 6 of the actual USB plugs, you definitely can. It also has like auto overload protection, overcharge protection, and all that good stuff in terms of protection wise for the actual product itself. So you guys don't have to worry about that as well. And if you guys look at how thick the cable is, it's actually super thick, so it can help with like less heat, less resistant, and also help you guys save a lot of energy when you guys are charging devices, which is pretty awesome as well. So now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So to be honest, I think these are actually pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys have like a lot of device to use. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? piece. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have